Hi guys, we're going to do another rhyming family. This is the E family. Tree E. See the tree? Tree E. We're going to do that family. Tree E, C E. Tree C. It rhymes. Tree E, C E. Tree C. Tree knee. Tree knee. That rhymes too. How about tree B? Tree E, B E. It rhymes. So that's going to go in there. Tree key. Tree E, key E. That rhymes. Has the E sound. Tree three. Yeah, tree three. So this is the E sound. This is the E family. So we have tree C, tree knee, tree key, tree B, tree three. Okay? Please go into the virtual classroom and practice your rhyming the E family. Thanks, guys.